What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you've seen one of my previous videos about a year ago, it's a pretty popular video of me installing a police siren, horn, PA speaker, all in one, for I think 20-25 bucks. It wasn't too bad and it lasted about a year. So I mean, for that kind of price to last a year, I wasn't too mad about it. So today I'm going to be installing this OOGA 12 volt air horn, made by RoadShock. I think it cost $6 at Harbor Freight. I'm just getting it because my other one took a shit on me, so I'm going to take that out. I have it mounted right there, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out. I'm going to try to retain the stock wires that I have running. They're the two wires that are running over to the battery. And then I have it running up into here. This is where I used to plug it in for the controller for it. And I'm going to hopefully be able to just use it off of that switch, that toggle switch. If so, that'll be perfect. If not, we'll figure something out. I'm going to first go ahead and take this old one out and open up the box to this one. So I think the reason why it stopped working is these 4 wires that run up to the actual controller. I think that was the main culprit. And then if you see that nasty junk, this doesn't help. Let me show you. Nasty. So that's probably why it doesn't work no more. You'll just undo the positives and the negative and finish taking this out. Airplane. So annoying. Real quick, they say that this is a 110 decibel blast, so we'll see. If so, that'd be pretty nice. If it's a clean, crisp sound, it might not be, and it's cheap, so who really knows? I'm not looking for much, I don't really care. Sorry about the wind, it's pretty windy today. Strip the wires. Gonna go ahead, put on my connectors. Oh, I grabbed the wrong ones. Gotta get the right ones first. Okay, I got the right ones now. This one I marked with a black just so I'm gonna put it on the black wire. These ones are the ones that fit properly on top of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install them. Just take the stripped wire and stick it right in. Until you see it right there at the coming out the top, and go ahead and crimp it. It's good, not going anywhere, tight. I'm gonna do the positive same way, and I take these and spin them pretty tight just so they're all together and it's easy to work with it. That's good. That's not going anywhere. What I'll do is I'll take some black electric tape, run it around the edge, the end of it, just to make sure it's stay nice and tight and keep the least amount of moisture out. Okay, got them both all done up. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stick them on the top of this. Positive, negative, pretty simple, and I'm gonna test it just sitting here before I mount this. That way, if for some reason it's not working, I don't have to waste the time mounting it. Negative to negative, positive to positive. Now let's see if this bad boy works. Alright, you just heard it, you've seen it move, it works. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it somewhere. I think what I'm gonna do, since it's pretty small, it uses this mounting bracket right here. You just stick that bolt on and then slide it over the bolt. So I'm going to mount it probably somewhere right about here, and then we'll see. Okay, I was saying I was going to put a hole right here and mount it here, but I really don't want to have to put a hole in this. Even though it wouldn't be the end of the day, I still don't want to have to. So I did mount it using like one of these holes, something like this, a little bit bigger than this one. But I screwed it out a little bigger and then just put the bolt in there that you attach it to. and hooked it up, but it kind of hits this just barely. So I'd already test fitted it over there on one of those long ones up top, so I'm going to do that and switch it over there, and then it'll work. It'll just be over on the other side, I guess. And I'll probably make the wires a little shorter. We'll see. Look at all that corrosion on there. It's like the rainbow. Holy cow. Gotta clean that up. Got the horn installed right there. Got the wires run. What I'll do is I'll hit the horn a couple times, once or twice with the hood open, and then once or twice with the hood closed. Alright, that's how you install the OOGA horn from Harbor Freight. The one that's, I swear, under $10. If I'm not mistaken, it's like $6. But I'm not 100% sure. I might have got it on sale or something. But it was pretty cheap, nevertheless. It doesn't sound 100% like a real OOGA horn, but for what it is and being really, really cheap, it does its job. People get out of my way, or at least they'll hear me now. It's better than not having no horn. And that was why I bought the other one, because the truck just doesn't, the horn in the truck just doesn't work. So I need something to get people to get out of my way or move from a green light that's just sitting there. The other one lasted about a year, so that was pretty good. Hopefully I can get a year out of this one. We'll see. It's in a better location. It won't see as much moisture as it did from down there, but it will see a lot more heat being up there. So we'll have to see if that plays a factor, but for a few bucks, I don't care. It's fine. I just want to say thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, if it helped out, give it a big thumbs up. Till next time, peace.